Really liking Nvidia to the upside here for this potential break. I'll be closely watching this. As far as QQ, also looks really strong to the upside. Yeah, honestly, I really do like QQ much better, so I will be looking for some calls here. Yeah, I'm seeing buying to the upside. There we go. Seeing some buying. There we go. AQ's pushing. Oh wow, look at that. It's just going. Targeting the 444s. Wow, just look at that volume, man. 443, there we go. 48, 50. Wow, look at that. 444s. I'm gonna sell 50% right there. I'm not gonna risk that. There we go. Got one left. Trying to break that. Here we go. There we go. Broke. There we go. There we go. Yes, it's pushing. Nvidia's pushing. Ooh. It's looking like we might have some trapped longs here, but it might be a little too early to say. I'm gonna try put option here. Looks like I'm seeing some weakness here at the open or at this little area, so there we go. Everything else is broke to the downside. Wow. I'm out.